everyone, this is Lou. This is part of my QCAT series, and in this video I am going to explain to you how to present your evidence in QCAT, because you actually don't need a lawyer to represent you, and you don't need to know all the terminology that a lawyer may know in order to present your evidence inside a QCAT hearing. Okay, so a lot of landlords come to me and they are very nervous, thinking that they need to understand the legal jargon or to have some special advocacy skills in order to win a QCAT case. No, you don't. You just need organization, clarity, and professionalism. You think of your case as telling a story with documents to back it up. The member or the adjudicator hears hundreds of matters every week. So the clearer and the more structured your evidence, the faster they'll understand your point and apply the legislation. So this is how the structure does work inside a hearing room. Like in the other videos, you're going to be explaining your key dates. You're going to start with, the tenancy start dates, your notice dates, your breach dates, your communication, documentation, milestones. And this is going to give the member your story in context. Then you're going to back this up with your documents, to your order, like your general tenancy agreement, your rent ledgers, your actual notices, confirmations of emails that have been, read, your read receipts. And for compensation claims, all your inspection reports, photos of damages, invoices to prove that you were out of pocket as a result of those damages. And quotes. Okay, so they do prefer invoices over quotes, but there is precedent that they will make a decision on quotes. All right, your goal is to make sure that you tell the evidence, and their aim is to make sure they are able to apply the legislation and make a ruling. All right, so best case scenario, like I've said, if you are concerned about how to present it, then do a summary page for absolutely everything, and write down what you're going to say on that summary page, and all your evidences will be behind it, because when you present it that way, then you already have those evidences, and it is going to allow the member to follow your line of reasoning. And here is my best tip for when you are sitting inside QCAT. Don't say anything. Think before you say anything. Take a breath and then answer directly as they have requested, right? Don't give them any more. They don't want to hear the he said, she said, they did this, they did that kind of thing. They just don't care. QCAT isn't going to be judging your personality, because they just want to assess the clarity and legality of your documentation. If your evidence is neat and it is factual and it is referenced, then you will come across credible. If they ask you a question and you don't know what it is, just take a breath and just say, let me check, right? And make sure that you've got the information, because if your paperwork is intact, you will be able to refer them to the right area. So if this has helped you clarify about how to present at QCAT, please like, follow, and share this video. And I am at this point in time trying to build up enough followers to do live workshops. So please help follow and share with someone who may be able to find this useful, so we can actually go live and deal with a lot more property management. I am wanting to empower Queensland landlords to manage their investments more effectively. Well, look out for my other videos, and I look forward to seeing you again.